Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This one, as you can see, this is a Gelato display cases. And we having curved glass at the front, also have the display glass at the bottom. They have two pieces of the units. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. They are about like a 53 inches long. Entirely about like a 50.5 inches tall. About 27.5 inches deep. So as we can see the unit, they have an open sliding door at the back. So let's turn around to see the back side. So this is the back side of the unit. We can see the stickers and diagram right here. And we're having the controllers on side of it with digital displays. And we're having the US standard plugs, 110 voltage. Let's take a look at the inner side dimensions. So the back side of this window entirely about like a 49 inches long. And the open space, they are about like a 23 inches. As we can see the inner side, they have a sliding door. The second layer of it, they can help you to keep the temperatures. And let's take the dimensions of it. The sliding door opens about like a 21.5 inches deep. We do having total 14 pans inside of the units. The dimension for the pantries is about like a 6.5 inches wide and about like a 10.5 inches long and 2.5 inches deep. We also have the LED strip lights on top of the units. That's what will be the all information about the inner side. Thank you for watching this videos. This is all the information about this display freezers. And if you do have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.